When to use EveryDollar budget categories is a crucial step in managing your finances effectively. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps you track your income and expenses by categorizing them into different groups. To get the most out of this tool, it is essential to understand when to use each category. First, start by identifying your income and fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. These expenses should be categorized under the necessary expenses section. Next, allocate funds to your savings and debt repayment categories, as these are crucial for long-term financial stability. The next step is to categorize your discretionary spending, such as entertainment, hobbies, and travel. These expenses are not essential but can improve your quality of life. Be sure to set realistic limits for each category to avoid overspending. It is also important to consider irregular expenses, such as car maintenance, property taxes, and holiday expenses. These expenses can be tricky to budget for, but EveryDollar allows you to set aside funds for them in advance. When using EveryDollar budget categories, it is vital to prioritize your needs over your wants. Make sure to allocate funds to essential expenses first, and then move on to discretionary spending. Regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure you are on track with your financial goals. A key concept to keep in mind is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule suggests that 50% of your income should go towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. This rule can serve as a guideline to help you allocate your funds effectively. Practical examples of using EveryDollar budget categories include creating a category for holiday expenses, setting aside funds for a down payment on a house, or allocating money for a big purchase, such as a car. By using these categories, you can ensure that you have enough funds set aside for these expenses and avoid going into debt. In conclusion, using EveryDollar budget categories is a simple and effective way to manage your finances. By understanding when to use each category and prioritizing your needs over your wants, you can create a budget that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure you are on track and make adjustments as needed.